guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another foundation review, and today I am testing out the No7 Protect and Perfect Advanced All-in-One Foundation. So I've heard a lot of good things about this foundation. It's had very high reviews when I bought it on the Boots website, and when I checked on YouTube, quite a lot of people liked it as well. So I thought I'd pick it up and give it a try. I have a foundation by No7 which I love. It's the Essentially Natural one and I absolutely adore it. So I'm hoping that it's similar to this one because I absolutely love the other one. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so first of all I'm going to spray my face using the Barry M Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. Now normally this time of year I will put a moisturiser on with an SPF and that will be my daily routine, but I'm not going to do that today just because I want to see how the foundation performs on its own. But this foundation actually has SPF 50+. I have never seen a foundation with such a high SPF before, so that is incredible. So I'll read a few things about it. So it says instantly younger and healthier looking skin, medium coverage, SPF 50+, suitable for sensitive skin. It says it instantly perfects the skin, concealing blemishes and blurs the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and pores. So I'm just shocked really at the fact that it has SPF 50. That is crazy. So mine is in the shade Porcelain, which I think is the lightest shade that they do. So hopefully it'll be a good match. So I'm going to apply it with my Real Techniques buffing brush. So let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I've applied it all now. A few thoughts. It is a slight bit too dark, but if I have a tan, I can get away with it, and with my hair down I can get away with it. I just wouldn't be able to with my hair up. I actually love the finish. Now I wouldn't say it's medium coverage at all like it's claiming. I would say light coverage. Maybe with all the other products, all the other makeup products on my face afterwards, it will be light to medium, but at the moment it is light coverage. You can still see some of my redness coming through on my cheeks, but I actually really like that finish because in the summertime I don't want a heavy full coverage foundation. I want a lightweight, light coverage just to give me that bit of coverage but with a healthy glow, and this is exactly what it's doing. It's got such a nice subtle glow with it. It just looks like my skin. It actually doesn't look like I'm wearing my foundation. It just looks like skin. It doesn't look like I'm wearing foundation, which is definitely what I want in the summertime. And this is the type of thing that I would pop on to go to the beach because it has SPF 50 and it's just that little bit of something to give you that coverage that you want, that bit of colour, but it's also protecting you and it's also really natural. So this definitely looks incredible at the moment. I'm not sure how this will look throughout the day because it is a bit of a dewy foundation, but once I set it with powder, hopefully it will last throughout the day. I already know that I like this foundation just by a first impression. I definitely think it's a perfect summer foundation for me. I have combination to oily skin, but I like a nice naturally hydrating foundation in the summer just because of the sun and it dries out your skin. So I do like this type of product in the summertime. I love to use tinted moisturizers, and this actually reminds me of a tinted moisturizer. So definitely so far so good. So I'm just going to finish up the rest of my makeup off camera and then I'll come back with my thoughts. Okay, so with my full face of makeup on, I actually love the foundation even more. It just looks even more natural. A lot of the glowiness and the hydration has gone away now because I've set it with powder, but trust me, don't worry, throughout the day that oiliness will be back. But I actually really like it so far. I think it looks super natural. It doesn't even look like I'm wearing foundation. It looks like my skin, but better. So definitely this gets a huge thumbs up from me, and I think it's going to look great throughout the day as well. I've just got a really good feeling. But yeah, number 7 is a little bit more pricey than other brands like Max Factor, Maybelline, L'Oreal. So will it be worth it? We'll have to wait and see, but so far so good. So like normal with my foundation reviews, I'm going to check back with you after 2 hours, 6 hours and 8 hours of wearing the foundation, just to let you know my thoughts and how it's looking. So we'll see how it goes. So I'll see you in 2 hours time. Okay, so it's been 2 hours wearing the foundation. I haven't noticed much change. The only thing I've noticed is that maybe it's oxidized a little bit. I feel like it's slightly darker than it was earlier, which it was a little bit too dark anyway. But like I said, normally in the summertime I have a tan, so I can get away with it, and with my hair done I can get away with it anyway. But other than that, it's looking exactly the same. Slightly oily on my nose, but nothing major. So yeah, so far so good. So I'll check back in another 4 hours time and see how it's looking then. So see you then. Okay, so it's been 6 hours wearing the foundation, and as you can see, I have become quite oily around my nose area, but everything else is looking perfectly fine on the rest of my face. So I'm actually really liking it. Maybe I just need to touch up my nose with a bit of powder. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it on for another few hours and we'll see how it's looking then. So see you then. Okay, so it's been 8 hours wearing the foundation, and I just checked in the mirror and we're looking pretty similar to the last check-in. My nose is very similar to when I last checked in with you. Maybe a slight bit more oilier, but not drastic. And like I mentioned last time, you can just touch it up with a bit of powder anyway. But I actually really like the look on the foundation. I think it's looking even more natural on my skin at this point anyway. So definitely gets a thumbs up from me, this foundation does. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. So yeah, that completes this video. This was my review of the number 7 Protect and Perfect Advanced All-in-One Foundation. So I hope you liked this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!